Are you playing with your toys, Beeper? It looks fun. Make you so happy. Yes. You getting clean? Probably hear the workers working. You getting excited? You thought you heard Daddy come home? I'm gonna fix my hair. Ah, not the eyelashes, bro. For real. What is up with you guys and snatching my lashes? Ah. They're not yours. Those kisses are yours, but the lashes are not. Look at you. So beautiful. Bro, that's my eyebrows. I barely have any left. She thinks you can just take my eyebrows. But I don't think I should have any hair on my face at all whatsoever. Listen, you already proved a point. You already proved your point, missus. I believe you. I will look better with no eyebrows and no eyelashes. I get it. I look so pretty with no eyebrows. Oh, no. I'll have a professional do it. You are the professional. She thinks she's so funny today. I don't think anybody would trust you to pluck their eyebrows. I'm sorry. I don't know. And again, you are really cute though.